my 79 Firebird that's been LS swapped. And if we come around here, we're going to see the issue that we're going to talk about today. Spark plug wires touching the header. But we're going to see what kind of fix we can do with just stuff we got laying around the house. I'm just going to mess with the ones today that I know that are issues. So it looks like we just got these two over here. If we go to the other side, it looks like we got maybe one over here as well. So right now I just put a little bit of black tape, temporary fix, because it actually burned through and it was arcing in traffic, and if you stepped on it, you got a real bad misfire. It just, you know, it's not good. Stick around and we're gonna see what kind of fix we can do for free. And so you can see right here, it has started to go through. I don't think this is the one that was arcing, and I just kind of put some black tape just for a temporary fix for now, just so I can make it home without it driving just super annoyingly. There's another one kind of burned through a little bit, and here's the one that was actually arcing. Not good. See, I kind of switched it around and started not arcing, but it started burning through a little bit again. But I actually saw lightning bolts from that one, so this one may be completely bad. I may just replace this whole thing. So here we got some spare parts that I had off of the old 400 that used to be in the Firebird. Just old plug wires. We got this style boot. We also have this style boot. So what I'm thinking is replacing this side with this style. See, we're not touching the header anymore. I put my finger in between there. We got some good clearance there. On this side, we're still pretty close. I think I'm still gonna have an issue with this one. I barely touching on the header. I don't know if that's gonna be an issue. Time will tell. And this one here, perfect. So let's see if that's a fix. Got a squeaky belt, but that's alright. But it looks like I don't see any arcing. So that's good. What's over here? I think we might be good. I'm gonna call that a win for free. The best fixes are free fixes, and this here was just parts laying around. Yeah, it doesn't match. It'll change eventually. I'll get some better stuff, but for now it works. If you like content like this, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.